I moved here in 2010 with the vision of building an institute that was going to try to bring a cure to major diseases like HIV, like cancer.
We are developing a critical mass of those types of researchers where they can collegially work together and do so much more than working separately.
Curing disease, that's what keeps us going.
It's not just about the science. More importantly, it's about the patients. And it's about how is this going to help the people for whom we are doing the research for.
It's about him. This little guy. Our seniors. And the 7 billion people in this world. Scientific discovery will soon go beyond the brink to stamp out one more disease. This is the work of the Vaccine and Gene Therapy Institute of Florida. The challenge? To harness untapped powers in our natural defense, the human immune system. In the last century, vaccines have saved more lives than any other health intervention. The team at VGTI intends to add to this timeline. They focus on developing new vaccine therapies, delving into the complex immune response on a molecular level, down to every single mechanism that defines our capacity to protect against pathogens, viruses, and cancer. Leading immunologists, virologists, biologists, and computational scientists work side by side here, pooling data, resources, and knowledge with one goal in mind: to improve human health around the globe. These scientists are already looking at why we're so much more vulnerable to diseases as we get older, even when vaccinated, at a flu shot that will protect us for life, at how a virus can treat breast cancer.
The vision for medicine in the future is personalized medicine.
We are targeting key specialists working in immunology.
We needed a place where we could do human clinical trials, and Florida was the ideal spot for that.
Positioned in South Florida's life sciences hub, VGTI Florida's growing network of collaborating organizations gives the research here an edge. They're able to work with human tissue samples to spur tangible results, and their research is already fueling breakthroughs. VGTI pushes forward with the might to turn basic, unbiased science into therapies that boost the immune response among the elderly, and vaccines that prevent and treat the most devastating, incurable diseases. Their quest will in some way touch every person on Earth.
These next 5 years are very critical.
To bring discoveries that we have from the bench directly into the clinic.
Studying patient samples directly, patients that are having infectious diseases, cancer.
We're one of the unique institutes that can do that.
Designing new therapies, treatments that eventually go into the clinic. That's why we say we're translating research into health.